Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Corner. This is Sylvia and today I'll be showing you how to make fish cutlet, and that is going to be very tasty and delicious. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. Let's see the ingredients to make this recipe. Mackerel fish, 1 big onion, 2 green chilies, few coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, an egg, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon of grated coconut, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 cup of breadcrumbs and 2 beaten eggs. First, we will make garam masala powder. For that, we need 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 8 to 10 cloves, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Take all these ingredients and make a fine powder. And here is homemade garam masala powder is ready. For this recipe, we are going to use mackerel fish, or also known as in Kannada bangde meenu. First, we will clean and wash the fishes, and we need to boil it separately with salt and little turmeric. Cook it on a medium flame for about 5 minutes. Once it is cooked, cool down the fishes into room temperature and debone the fishes and shred it in a bowl. Now into this we are going to add salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, one tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, one tablespoon of garam masala powder which we prepared earlier, and a few finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 big size of finely chopped onion, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, an egg. If you require, then you can add 2 eggs. Mix it well. Now we need to add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. And again mix well. Now take some portion from the mixture and make a ball size and flatten it into a patty or cutlet shape. Repeat it for the rest and keep aside on a plate. As you can see here, we have made all the cutlets. Now take a cutlet and dip it into beaten eggs. Make sure the eggs are coated well and dust with breadcrumbs and keep it on a plate. So this is the one method of coating cutlets. Instead of breadcrumbs and beaten eggs, you can also use rava. Take some rava on a plate and coat the cutlets with rava and shallow fry these. These taste also delicious. For frying, take a pan and add sufficient oil to shallow fry the cutlets. Cook the cutlets till they are golden brown. Once one side is cooked well, flip over and cook the other side. And that's it. You can enjoy the delicious and tasty cutlets. Must try these once at home and enjoy with your family. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. And thank you for watching.